All right, this is a attempted repair attempt for Mrs. Hart. The date is 3/15/22, sunny and 70 degrees outside. We're gonna attempt to repair this shingle. I'm going to use regular hammer, regular roofing pry bar. I'm gonna start by unsealing each shingle. So I will need to manipulate this one, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6. Need to manipulate this shingle for sure. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and possibly number 6 up here. Manipulate those shingles to get this shingle out. So I'm just gonna start real gentle, be as easy as we can. Break the seal. If at any time during the repair attempt I see any cracking or anything like that, I will stop the video, document with pictures. Right, just gonna take a look under, see if there's any mat transfer. There we have a big chunk of mat transfer there. Under the shingle. So I'm gonna stop and document with some pictures here, then we can resume. All right, this is video 2 of Mrs. Hart's repair attempt. I just stopped to document the mat transfer there. So I stopped and labeled, put pictures, circled the mat transfer there. So automatically right there, attempting to repair this shingle, I've already damaged another shingle. We'll continue on. Just taking a look, being gentle with the shingles. These all look fairly decent. There we have more mat transfer there. I'm going to stop and document that with photos, and we'll resume after that. All right, this is series part 3 of the Hart repair project. So I just stopped to document the second mat transfer on that shingle. So you can see it in there. Pulled the matting out right there. So I have 2 different mat transfers that are connected to the shingle. I had to manipulate to get this shingle out. There was nothing over this way. Got one more over here. Just as gentle as I can. Up. Right there, it stopped and tore. Just trying to get that off. Yeah. Just punctured a hole in there. So you can see a big old chunk of mat transfer there. A tear in the shingle and a hole puncture all the way through, pulling that mat all the way through on that one. I'm going to stop and document that with some photos, and we'll resume from there. All right, we'll do part 4 of the Hart shingle repair. So now we got everything lifted and unsealed. I'll try to do this while videotaping. All right, so the shingle is out. That shingle end up being cut or something to begin with, but just 2 tabs on that one. All right, so once again, right there, in order to do that repair properly in a field of shingles, I cannot cut down a new 3-tab shingle to fit into this application. So once again, failure again. This all looks like a factory cut. It is only a 2-tab. It does have the notch. Looks like a 2-tab, but I cannot legally, and under construction code and building code, manufacturer specifications, I cannot cut down a 3-tab shingle to fit in there. So that's problem number 4 on this roof. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tarp in here for now, do a temporary repair. Obviously we got 1, 2, 3 different areas of mat transfer, and then just a partial shingle in here. So I can't put it in a 3-tab shingle to repair that without cutting it, and I can't cut a shingle in the field to replace this. I'll start up the next section of the video after I get a tarp going. All right, this is the next section of Mrs. Hart's repair attempt. We had multiple mat transfers, 2 over on this side, 1 over here on this side. Then we had the 2-tab section of shingle in there. So I just put a temporary tarp over here for the temporary repair. I'll get this all put together. I'll send this video and photo report in, and we will go from there.